How to download and install ChatGPT app on Android phone. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the ChatGPT app on your Android phone. So if you want to start using AI to chat, learn, and get help anytime, just follow along step by step. Let's dive in. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Either Wi-Fi or mobile data will work. Now open the Google Play Store on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen, or swipe up and look for the Play Store icon. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap the search bar at the top and type ChatGPT, then hit search. You should see the official ChatGPT app by OpenAI appear at the top, with the recognizable green and white logo. Tap on it. Next, tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading, and once it's finished, it will automatically install on your device. After installation is complete, you can open ChatGPT directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or find the ChatGPT icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in or create an account. You can log in with your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Once that's done, you're ready to start using ChatGPT to ask questions, generate ideas, and get instant AI-powered answers. And that's it. That's how you download and install the ChatGPT app on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides and Android tips.